Why should you invest in a central dosing system? Meet our two installers, John and Eric. They have been hired to install washing machines in 2 apartment complexes. John installs an ordinary decentralized dosing system for the washing machines. Each machine requires its own dosing system to provide chemicals. Tubes from the chemical drums will go through the dosing system and out to each washing machine. Each machine and dosing system will also have to be connected through both a trigger cable and a cable for program selection. This setup is time-consuming and takes up a lot of space. In the meantime, Eric is installing a central dosing system, SiCD2, which is much more manageable. The SiCD2 system is pre-assembled by the manufacturer, ready to hang on the wall, and can easily be connected to all washing machines with just one common data cable. There is less cabling, and all tubes are connected to the same dosing system. This saves a lot of installation time. As customers use the washing machines, chemical levels start decreasing and eventually the drums run dry. The decentralized dosing system will keep on running, but with no chemicals to dose. Eventually, customers will discover the lack of detergent and become unhappy. In addition, empty detergent drums will mean lost revenue. John must hurry to the site to refill the drums. With the central dosing system, however, empty, unnoticed drums belong to the past. The SiCD2 system proactively notifies the supervisor about low chemical levels via an email or SMS, enabling him to refill the chemical drums in good time, before the system runs dry. When Eric wants to configure the SiCD2 system, say for instance changing to another chemical brand, he does not have to travel to the laundry site. He can configure the system remotely from his office chair. Through an online connection, you have access to all your SiCD2 installations. You can extract all operating information such as chemical consumption, operating status, any change in dosage programs and setup, and much more. Save time. Never run unnoticed out of chemicals. And configure your entire dosing setup remotely with SiCD2 Central Dosing System.